In this video, I'm going to show you how to go to the previous channel on YouTube TV so you can effortlessly switch back to the last channel you were watching. This is especially helpful if you're flipping through channels or want to return to a live event without searching for it again. Let's get started. The easiest way to return to the previous channel is by using the back button on your remote control. While watching a channel, simply press the back button once, and YouTube TV will take you back to the last channel you viewed. If you're using a touchscreen device or computer, you can achieve the same result by clicking the back arrow in your browser or app interface. If the back button isn't working, or you've navigated away from the Live TV section, another option is to use the Recent section in the Live tab. From the home screen, click on the Live tab and scroll down to see a list of recently watched channels. Select the one you want to return to, and it will start playing immediately. For those who frequently switch between two favorite channels, consider adding them to your favorites. While watching a channel, click the star icon to mark it as a favorite. Once added, these channels will appear at the top of your Live tab, making it easy to toggle between them with just one click. Finally, if you're using a device with voice control, like a smart remote or Google Assistant, you can say something like, "Go back to the previous channel," or name the specific channel you want to watch. This hands-free method is quick and convenient for jumping between channels. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on navigating YouTube TV. Thanks for watching, and I hope switching to the previous channel on YouTube TV is now simple and seamless for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.